Welcome to my channel, How to Say Bye to Your Job. Do you spend hours scrolling through Instagram and TikTok? What if I told you that you could turn those endless swipes into actual cash? Yes, making money online through social media is not just for influencers, it's for you too. Stick around because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn your social media into a money-making machine. Let's go. First things first, pick the right platform. Instagram and TikTok are gold mines for making money online, but they work differently. TikTok is great for viral content and brand collaborations, while Instagram offers more stable income streams like affiliate marketing and paid posts. Choose based on where your audience hangs out. If you want to make money, you need a niche. Whether it's fashion, tech, or even personal finance, find your passion and own it. Post consistently, engage with your followers, and use trending hashtags to grow fast. Now let's talk about the real deal. How do you actually make money? Here are the top ways. 1. Brand deals and sponsorships. Once you hit a decent following, brands will pay you to promote their products. 2. Affiliate marketing. Share product links, and every time someone buys, you earn a commission. 3. Sell your own products, digital courses, ebooks, or even physical products. Many creators make bank selling their own stuff. 4. Monetization features. TikTok Creator Fund, Instagram Badges, and YouTube Shorts Fund. These platforms pay you for your content. Want to stand out and grow faster? Use these secret hacks. Post at peak hours for maximum engagement. Use trending sounds and challenges. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, DMs, and go live. Collaborate with other creators to expand your reach. And that's how you turn social media into a money-making machine. Now it's your turn. Pick a platform, choose a niche, and start creating. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and comment below. What's your favorite way to make money online? See you in the next video.